All right, guys. First break of the night is going to be our last one, break 15. We've almost done 3 cases of this. The autographed multi-sport jersey from Gold Rush. This is a pick your letter break. Every spot in the break is the first letter of the first name. So that's how these letters were listed on our website. So a ton of big names, some of the biggest names in all of sports. So let's see if we can finish strong with this break. So you can see all those letters and the people who've got them there to the right of your screen. So appreciate you guys helping fill up this break. Good luck. We'll see what we can get. We'll wait on a new multi-sport jersey series to release. We'll grab some more of these. All right, what do we got? 10. What's this going to be? What are we going, hockey here? All right, hold on. Who's Leclerc? All right, hang on. Let's see who the heck this guy is.
Making you the greatest souvenir of all. Explore our entire world of hotel brands and experiences.
Did you know taking Zysol at night relieves allergies while you sleep? So you wake refreshed.
John Leclerc. So it's going to be first name letter J. Beckett authenticated. So there's the auto right there. All right, so first name letter J on that one. That one's going to be going out to James. James, congrats, man. Got you on the last multi-sport jersey. So we'll get that in the mail tomorrow, and be on the lookout for more of these to hit the site soon.